Hello everyone, I'm Debbie. Welcome to Sugar and Spice. Today we're going to look at a very simple cake, vanilla sponge cake. And you can see that it's very soft. Even as I try to cut through, you can see how soft it is. And it's a very mildly flavored cake which you can have it for your tea. So let's start baking. The ingredients which I have taken for this cake are 300 grams of plain flour, that maida I have taken. I have sifted it already. This is 2 cups. 200 grams of granulated sugar which I have powdered, which will be equivalent to 1.5 cups. And I have taken 120 grams of butter, which will be equivalent to half a cup. 1 cup or 250 ml of milk, 4 eggs, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, and vanilla essence will be another teaspoon. Now let's whisk the eggs. You just have to give it a very slight whisk. And at this time, once all the egg yolk and the white is mixed, we are going to add all our powdered sugar. The reason I have powdered the sugar is it becomes very easy for me to mix them in the egg mixture. And it gets dissolved very quickly. Now I've added all my dry flour, and you can see that the mixture has become quite thick. So I'm going to move from a whisk to a spatula. Now I'm going to add my baking soda to the refined flour and slowly add the flour and baking soda mixture into the egg mixture. And while I'm doing that, keep stirring continuously. To this thick batter, now I'm going to add this hot butter and milk mixture and keep stirring slowly till all this liquid is well combined to this batter. The mixture is now well combined. At this time we are going to add our vanilla essence. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons and then mix it well. Now I'm going to transfer this cake batter into a pre-greased pan, which is a 9-inch, and I'm going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees. It's 10 minutes now, so we can unmold it. I've run the knife through the entire side of the cake. Now you can see that the cake has come out very nicely. Even if you touch, you can see how fluffy the cake is. So I will allow it to cool for another minute or two, and then let's cut the cake. It has been 25 minutes and I've checked, and you can see that the skewer has come clean. Now I will allow it to cool for another 10 minutes before we remove it from the pan. Now it's a minute. I'm just going to flip this and remove the bottom and slowly remove the paper also. You can see that I'm removing the paper. You can see how beautifully the cake has baked. It's still hot. At this time, I'm just going to sieve a bit of powdered sugar onto the cake. You can see how spongy this cake is, and it's also very delicious. This is a very mildly sweet cake So it is a very good accomplishment for tea. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to give us a like, share and subscribe to Sugar and Spice. Bye.